Start careers with global software. If you are familiar with enterprise resource planning or ERP, then you might be an expert in any one of these applications: SAP, Oracle, J.D. Edwards, Peoplesoft, Lawson, or Sage. These are the flagship Microsoft Excel-based products that Global Software owns and provides to over 39 countries, 3,000 customers, and over 100,000 users worldwide. And this prestigious company calls for professionals who can keep up with globalization and live the company's strong industry reputation. Based in North Carolina, USA, Global Software has in its arsenal of products the following business solutions: Spreadsheet automation tools, Spreadsheet Server, Executive Distribution Manager, Budget Manager, Enterprise Budgeting, Spreadsheet Analyst Budgeting, Spreadsheet Analyst Financial Applications iSuite, General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Purchase Orders, Fixed Assets Legacy, Classic Suite iSeries, General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, Cash Management, Purchase Order. Fixed Assets, Project Accounting, Lease Accounting, Other Tools/Applications, Business Alerts, Data Agent Server Express, Data Agent Server, School Safety Portal, School Safety Web-based. What this means for job seekers is that Global Software indeed promises a dynamic working environment that would allow for professional growth. With today's rising demand for more effective and efficient business solutions, Global Software is in need of the following positions classified by location: Raleigh, USA, Account Development Coordinator, Business Development/Account Executive, Greensboro, North Carolina, USA, Account Development Coordinator, Business Development/Account Executive, Bothell, Washington, USA, Account Development Coordinator, Business Development/Account Executive, London, UK, Account Development Coordinator, Business Development/Account Executive, EMEA, Partner Channel Manager. The primary role of an Account Development Coordinator is to provide expertise as an inside sales professional for Microsoft Excel-based business automation tools. Global Software is looking for a professional who is self-motivated, has a proven track record of success in a lead generation role, and possesses skills with Microsoft Excel, Word, the Internet, and a contact management system. A business development/account executive is someone who would sell Global Software's line of products through a combination of telephone, in-person, WebEx, and networking events. The successful applicant is responsible for the trade shows, marketing materials, and other business development duties. Qualifications include a 4-year college degree, proficiency in MS Office applications, and the ability to analyze complex customer requirements and deliver a detailed presentation of GlobalSoftware's products to start a new business tie-in. The position EMEA Partner Channel Manager is given to the successful applicant who has high level of experience in dealing with SAP or Oracle and other business intelligence tools. Also, superb oral and written communications skills, a 4-year degree, strong background in accounting, and a self-motivated attitude are required. So gather your papers, ready your curriculum vitae and practice your interview skills to get that position you have been dreaming of. When you're ready, you may contact GlobalSoftware through their toll-free number 1-800-326-3444, or you may also check out their website at glbsoft.com.